On this path, we'll work with a mudra and pressure point to help us release stress and anger from the system. So this particular mudra, this hand exercise, is a great one to do when you're feeling angry or frustration. And you simply place your thumb right underneath the area of the pinky finger and then curl the four fingers around. And in this exercise, you can simply relax it on your lap, or in your day-to-day life, you can walk with this as a way of moving tension. And how this mudra works is the thumb is connected to all this fascia. It's connected to our arms, connected to our shoulders, connected to our neck. And when we feel anger or tension within our body, this is an area of the body that gets tighter as a survival mechanism. And so, with placing the thumb here, you're giving yourself this inner stretch that helps to give you a little bit more space to work through that situation. And with closing the fingers around, you're also putting a little bit of energy and tension to help open up your perspective, to give yourself a sense of relief. And so you can even just try it resting it on your lap as well, and your eyes closed, just breathing deeply. To receive the benefit from this, you can work with this for as long as needed, but also you can simply hold it for a minute and then release it as needed. Now, a pressure point to help you with stress and tension is also one that works on the hand. And so this particular one, you'll find it right on the top of your hand between the index finger and your thumb. And it's right on the mound, so to speak, when you bring the fingers together. And you can just simply press your thumb of your other hand into the flesh there and just relax it into your lap and breathe deeply. And this is a meridian point that is quite effective for releasing pain and tension and for also just helping the mind to be clearer. So you can hold this for 30 seconds, one side, and then 30 seconds on the other side. It doesn't matter which side you start with, but this is a great tool that you can bring into your day-to-day life, whether at the office, um, when you're waiting online, or any situation where you feel you need to release some tension. Sat Nam. Thank you.